Hi everyone, I'm back again. I cleaned my mic. I think I might have fixed it. A while back, I set my phone down and I forgot that my camera got stuck in resin. And, excuse me, I figured out that my microphone was actually clogged up with resin. So I picked and got it out of the microphone hole. Hopefully, this fixed it. I'm hoping. Y'all, let me know. I really need to know. Anyway, I did a March challenge swipe. So I'm going to make a match to it right now. And also, my very, very good friend, Kathleen McGee, she finds the neatest things. She uses these. They are squeezy stress balls. She bought me these and sent them to me today because they help her do her balloon smashes. So, I'm going to try them out. And I think I'm not going to do the red. I think I'm going to use the blue because maybe you can see kind of... Oh, let me get it out. Well, come on. Okay. So maybe we'll be able to see through it. So, I'm excited I got my camera fixed, my microphone fixed. And I'm hoping that's what we get today is a microphone fix, a really good little coaster with some awesome balloon smashes with this thing right here. So, thank you, Kathleen McGee, for my little toys. I am going to use them now. So, they're squishy stress balls. Woo, 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 woo. All right. So, I'm going to set that kind of to the side. I am going to add my, and one of my dear ladies, my dear friends, asked me what this is. Oh, let me back it up so you can read it. This is, dadgummit, I'm not used to it yet. This is the glitter paint that I've been using. It is some awesome stuff. It mixes great with Mix. By the way, Mix Pour. You can get it from Krista Rasmussen. I will have the link in the description. I will also have a link to my website, so you can go order some pretty awesome paints. And I will have some extreme glitter on the website. So, let's get going. We're going to pour this Lime Twinkle on as our base coat. And we're going to spin her out because I don't like a pillow for a swipe. That's just, I don't like a pillow. I want an even surface. So even if I have to add a little bit more to get it to cover, I will. And that's what I did. And I'm fixing to spin it out again, because I don't like that hump in the pillow. I like it nice and smooth, and I like it to go over the edges before I start my swipe, so that way it already knows where it's going to go. So my sides are covered, or at least it's over the edge. So I keep playing with my stress ball. I don't need to do that because I really like that stress ball. I may take one in just to play with. So I'm going to start with this Teal Green by Jo Sonia. It's a tube paint. I'm just going to streak it across. But you know what? I'm going to try to do multiple swipes, but I'm going to swipe here, and then I'm going to swipe here, and I'm going to try to swipe over a swipe to see if it works. But I'm going to do it. I'll show you. We're going to try to do that. I should have tried on a bigger one, but I didn't. I'm just opening the lids of my paints that I used on my last tile, which turned out beautiful. You know, I'm not trying to toot my horn or nothing, but it really did come out really pretty. Now I'm looking for my green stick. Okay, we're just going to use this one. Okay, so now we've got some, ooh, what we put on there? We put the greenish blue on top. Okay. Then we're going to put some emerald over that. Just a couple of swipes, because I really don't want a whole lot of color. I do, but I don't. Keep this cocked at an angle because of the fact that I'm left-handed. I just want to streak some colors through it, because I'm going to try to get 2 swipes perpendicular to each other. I'm going to put this copper in because that's a real pretty color with greens. I think it warms them up a little bit. What else did I put back in that? Oh, I added some black. So let's try with some black, just for a little bit of contrast. Got all those colors together. We need to maybe just give them a little bit of separation. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and swipe that because I want the cells already there when I swipe the other streaks. Missing that blue, so I'm just going to flop 3 lines across that just to give it some extra color. I might not get the swipe that I'm wanting, but I'm going to try. These are just experiments, right? Just trying to get a little bit better than you were the day before. Or the tile before. Or the spin before, the painting before. You're always trying to up your game. And that's always what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to swipe it. Okay. Got a good swipe there. Now I'm going to, ooh, that was quite yucky. I thought I cleaned off my thing, but maybe I did, my knife, but maybe I didn't. Let me give this a good old wipe off, because I don't want any of that residue to come off in my swipe, in my cell activator, because it's, ew, that would have had some bad consequences. Okay, so now I'm going to lay more colors. So I'm going to turn it. And I think I'm going to swipe. I'm going to swipe this side. So I'm going to put colors. Streak colors there. Then we're going to just layer it like we did last time. Just kind of give it a little bit of color. Y'all, I've never done this swap over a ribbon side, so I'm hoping this works. Oh man, maybe I didn't. Maybe I can get that to come off. I'm not going to be able to do the base swipe all the way across because of the fact that I've got this other swipe, and if I swipe the white down the green, I'm afraid I'm gonna ruin it. So that's the color of that ribbon. I'm gonna turn it so I can swipe it the left-handed way. The lefty way. Okay. Now, I may have to balloon smash right there where it smugged the other way. But I don't think it looks bad. It's going to fly off. I should have done it further down the tile. This is just an experiment. That's not too bad. It looks like a T. Okay, so I'm wondering if I can swipe it. If I can, you know, we're just going to experiment because I'm not too happy with the composition. So we're just going to try it right here. Just give it a light swipe. See if that does anything for us. See if that brightens it up at all. If that makes it nicer. Kind of hoping it's going to give it a little bit. Oh, nice. Okay. So I'm going to have the teeth on the drag part. So I don't know how this is going to look. But we're going to do it anyway and see, because it's just an experiment, right? Okay. Even with the teeth on the drag side, it wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad at all. Okay, I got to give it a minute to develop, so I'm going to go ahead and shut my paints down, put my lids on, and make sure I get them sealed so that way when I spin this, if there's any excess, it doesn't sling into them and change the colors. Because that's not That's being wasteful, and we don't waste paints. You just can't, I mean, there's no reason to waste paints if you don't have to. So, that's what we say. Don't waste paint. You can always use it for something else. Excuse me. I've had the hiccups today. It's crazy. It's like I'm growing. It's probably not growing up. It's growing out. Okay, so I'm going to spin this before I do the balloon smash. Just so I can get these sails over the edges. Oh, and I can make sure everything is looking good. Okay, so there's no sails right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do a balloon smash right there. Yeah. I'm going to do a balloon smash right there to kind of be a little uniformed. And which I'm cleaning it off every time I do. Gotta fix this corner for real, because that black did not want to come over that edge. I always have one corner or another where it doesn't want to act right. There it is. I got it sliding now. Okay. So yeah, now I think I'm gonna do another one right smack dab in the center of those. Yeah, that looks good. I like that tile. All right, I'm gonna bring it up. Let y'all get a close-up of that. Very nice. Very bright greens and blues, and the glitter's gonna be pretty. So, yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed that, and I hope my mic is finally fixed. So, if it is, give me a like, thumbs up, tell me about it in the comments. I'd sure appreciate it. And that's gonna do it for me. I'm out for tonight. And I will see y'all probably tomorrow or in the next couple of days. Thanks, and as always, enjoy the journey, guys.